Medium Wave 1035, Master G right here. It's time for us to prank some girls and find out if they are cheating. And are we good, my brother? Yeah. It's time for us to find out some cheaters and who is cheating. Prank time, yo. Pranking.
No. Udoron divazwa udinam. Hello. Okay. Hello. Anyway, I know me mna wanga. Okay. Niko zita. Niko tono mbera. Anasa zita niko tono vudondo mbera kwa machao. Ndora kwanza miami. Okay. Zibazo fara ti. Ndo zipa kwamba atina nivuzi chofero nikoteo nivuzi avo munna uri vatalanye na mutu vuya ngori rikoteo achitandani. Okay, ndibafone ndivaudziri vatalanye vavuya. Ndibafanira dzamini ngondo dzivori vanaini zvino nepo. Okay. Nizviite utavanya please. Angaiti zvavewe mutu utofuda zvawo upara zvawo ashumira zvawo rikofana. Okay.
Welcome to the best radio station on the planet.
Tabero.
And now, it's
Hey girls, what's up? Awe? How are you today?
I'm good, thanks, and how are you?
How is Cape Town treating you, my love?
Cape Town is treating me very good, and how is Venda?
I'm okay, thanks. And then who is this one now asking you about the hubby? Nia Jola inui.
Okay.
So niko Jola na munna wawe ini ne?
And then I get that. I'm going to get you off on him to him.
Girls, thank you very much. Enjoy yourself. Tabero, thank you very much. Awe, you guys are bomb. Thank you. Enjoy yourself.
All right, away. Peace. Just a prank, sister.
It's a prank, man. It's a prank.
It's a prank. Don't do it. Some people are listening. Peace and love in Cape Town, yo.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much,
Alright,
beautiful girls. Thank you very much, Bafetu. Thank you. We appreciate it. You see, it's what we mean, man. We're doing radio at its best. Master G is my name. Medium Wave 1035. Right online. Go to Facebook. Check Medium Wave or MW 1035. Go to YouTube and check Medium Wave MW 1035 podcast. What can we do? This is what we do for a living. South Africa, stand up and do something for yourself. Cheating? It's bullshit. Easy on that. Signing off. We are out.
you're listening to the best radio station on the planet.